So English or question আহি গৈছে HSLC 2025 আমি ডিসকাস কৰো হা প্ৰথম to hold choose the correct option to fill in the blank all tickets for the cultural night have been হৈছে এটো sold out হ'ব choose the correct option to complete the sentence she gave ইয়াত টিক মাৰ্ক to ভুল আছে বেলেগৰ question বেলেগৰ answer দিয়া আছিল এটো ভুল আছে she gave the little money hobo a option to the money she had to the beggar 3 number to hobo 31 minutes audible said moodily the appointment was for 12:30 what report was referred to audible report concerning some new missiles yet tick mark to the ase to correct ase orot ase the safe was not going to be hard to open Horace Janbai thought so because he had lived with locks and safes all his life etu correct answer hobo did you cite the differences etu thik ase a plague of locusts would have left more than this Lencho made this remark etu a hailstorm thik ase identify the correct question tag etu he is a teacher ase isn't he hobo etu thik ase 6 or 7 or ferocious animals like tigers are a threat to the natural and human world etu to false hoy statement 1 to false hoy and statement 2 zoo animals become quite placid inside their cage actually a question to অলপ critical আছে এটা ইয়াত মানে statement 2 to placid বুলি কলে মানে calm বুলি কোৱা হয় actually placid বুলি কলে calm কিন্তু তেওঁলোকে কামটো নাথাকে কিতাবত কিন্তু আউট ৰেজ বুলি আছে কোৱাইট ৰেজ বুলি আছে এংগাৰত থাকে এটো statement 1 to false statement 2 is also false etu hobo lage statement 1 is all false and statement both statement 1 and 2 are false etu hobo lage actually কিন্তু কিছুমানে আকৌ জু এনিমেল বিকাম কোৱাইট প্লেসিড ইনসাইড দ্য কেজ মানে তেওঁলোকে খং কৰিলেও তেওঁলোকে চুপচাপকে থাকিব লাগে এটো এটা আছে সো মোৰ মতে তো স্টেটমেন্ট both statement 1 and 2 are false hobo lage 8 or a letter to God which literary device used by the author to describe the field was white as if covered with salt etu metaphor thik ase on receiving the letter from the postman Lencho did not seem surprised because he was confident of receiving a reply to thik ase B number to 9 or 10 or I have been reading as much as I could about T. Rajveer said etu ase are not authenticated mane proof howa nai etu till today etu thik ase C number to 11 or ase snarling around the house at the jungle je etu correct hoy tarasot 12 ase the structure they created form the basis of one of the harshest more inhuman societies etu structure referred to etu apartheid etu correct answer apartheid shivering with cold etu ase to which of the following alternatives explain the reason behind the subject's visit to Dreamland by etu hobo he wanted to get some food and clothing C number 13 or C orot ase but if I do not think much about Lutkins the office did here answer to hobo C number 2 because Lutkins was still missing and was supposed to be presented at the court the next day choose the correct option to fill in the blanks etu first to hobo in the long run it is important to listen to A 15 to hobo as a cowardly and prothamate custard dog keneke heri kora asile etu as a cowardly and timid dragon 15 number to thik ase 16 number 2 how did the junior assistant of the law firm feel when he was sent to etu he felt joyful tetia bahut bhal lagisile tak C number answer correct the bewildered mane confused hai confused meaning to ako baffled hai etu C hobo 17 read the two statement given below with reference madam ride the bus Bali had many playmates of her age in her neighborhood false hobo Valley gained many new edu true hobo dithale statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true B thik ase identify the correct literary device used in the line from animals I think I could turn and live with animals I as a etu assonance etu thik ase with reference to the ball poem choose the statement that correctly identifies the underlined words I would not intrude on him etu ki the poet would not intrude on the boy etu thik ase 19 or A 20 the small boy in the ball poem is experiencing realization etu a thik ase 21 a tea garden Rajbir cried excitedly but Pranjal did not share Rajbir's excitement. Why was it so? Because Pranjal was familiar with the landscape dotted with tea flowers. It is C answer correct. According to the author of Cork, the people of Cork are possibly to A number thik ase Arabs and Greeks. Man's goodness it extinguished mane hole put out to thik ase A number 2. Corgi homes have a tradition of hospitality etu recount mane hole to narrate hobo etu তাই A দি থোৱা আছে এটো ভুল হয় B to হয় to narrate. In the story a letter to God, what is the most likely response that postmaster expected? তেওঁ ভাবিছিলে তেওঁলোক gratitude দিব বা thanks দিব. C number to correct answer. 37 to what 37 to what does the boy feel the ball poem is experiencing? 37 what does the boy feel when he loses the ball? It was sad about thik ase. 38 brilliant scientist though he was Griffin was rather a lawless person. It was অলপ writer's attitude to গ্ৰিফিনৰ মানে গ্ৰিফিনক লৈ পেলাই কি আছিলে এইটো এটা একাজেশ্যন টাইপৰ হয় এ নিচিনা মোক লাগিছে এ হ'ব লাগে তাৰপিছত when the young lawyer reached a new million his eager expectation of a sweet and simple career was well disappointed. Why? The streets were dirty and the shops were painted brown or were bare of any kind. C to correct answer. 39 choose the indirect A to have you had your lunch? If I had had my lunch. A number to correct answer. 39 to 30 38 39 30 oh 25 or 26 or 32 there is languid emerald C where the soul independent is me it languid mane relaxed ठीक है 33 he has neither strength nor intelligence it ठीक है 34 choose the correct tense it had left ठीक है fill in the blanks in the following sentence. Lina is more ठीक है Paula left let down. Why? C number to correct answer. The secret agent led him to a hotel room which was rather gloomy. It C number 2. Just leave it to me and you will have them within an hour. What is the context? It is question of trust. It is about the safe and the jewelry. It is C number 2. 27 it is 30 39 it is 40. Rajendra never got a chance to work on a new plane after the shoot of our Garage episode. Why? Because he was put behind the bars. A number to correct answer. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. In this sentence from the Midnight Visitor, what thrill is being referred to? A stranger with a pistol stood inside the hotel room. A number to correct answer. Question number 41. Antonium hoy. Antonium to crest or meaning to have top into antonium opposite of bottom. D answer. What did Lancho do throughout the morning? Was the sky? 42 B. 43 because A number to correct ase because it had turned violent. 44 etu A number to correct ase etu পঢ়ি পেলাই etu chronology etu A number to correct ase 44. 45 to Bangim Chandra Chatterjee etu ঠিক আছে 46 to এইবিলাক তো ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা তাৰপাছত আহিলে grammar section to the sun rises in the east hobo. When I met her she was reading a book hobo. I often go to Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. I often go to Mumbai which is the commercial capital of India hobo. Relative pronoun di bela ami etu koribo lagibo. I went to the market direct speech likhibo lagibo. I went to the market to buy some fruit but the shopkeeper said likhile comma likhibelai inverted comma likhi shopkeeper kole there is no fresh fruits today aru inverted comma close tarpisot full stop. Read at the following as directed. Man is mortal. Etu make negative koribo lagibo without changing the meaning. So man is not immortal likhibo lagibo. Well done. Make an assertive sentence. Simple assertive sentence loi jabo lagibo. Etu you have done well. আশা কৰিছোঁ তোমালোকৰ চবৰে পৰীক্ষা ভাল হৈছে বুলি। থেংক ইউ।